Hello, I'm Jeremy Ritchie. I'm a senior sales engineer at Opengear, and today I'd like to talk about the Operations Manager export and import process. Everything that we're going to go through today can be found online through the Opengear support portal. You can find the FAQs and you can find the user manuals. First, let's look at the user manual. This section is the export configuration section and restore configuration. Next, we're looking at the FAQs from the support site, and specifically the FAQ describing export import for the Operations Manager. From the Operations Manager graphical user interface, navigate to the Configure menu, select System, and finally the Export Restore Configuration page, where you can download export of the configuration. To restore the Operations Manager configuration, navigate to the Configure menu, then the System submenu, and the Export Restore Configuration page. Navigate over to the Restore tab and select the file using the hyperlink. Click the Upload File button and a restoration will begin. It usually takes around 15 minutes from start to finish. Thank you for your time today, and we appreciate your business.